Wow, that's a big question. Fortunately, at PwC, we just released an amazing piece of thought leadership, the future of insurance in 2025. So I'd recommend everyone have a read of that because it's a fantastic read. But if I was to say the fundamentals of an insurance companies of the future and ones that are going to succeed in 2030, clearly you need to be fully digitally enabled. You need to be able to integrate into whatever different distribution platforms there are out there, and there's going to be many, and they're going to be pretty diverse in what they offer. You need to be able to adapt to an embedded insurance world because that market is absolutely coming. You need to absolutely be able to ingest and generate insights from vast different sources of data, not just your internal data, but external data sources as well. You need to absolutely embrace customer-centric ecosystems and be able to operate within those ecosystems, bringing in adjacent services to better service customers and being able to integrate into different distribution platforms, like I said, because that is how customers will start to interact with insurers. They'll be very much almost behind the scenes, I think, embedded through different, whether they be entertainment or financial well-being type distribution platforms. Absolutely, they need to be ready for a Gen AI world. That world is coming and coming sooner than most people would expect. It's not, a 5-year thing anymore. I think it's a 2 to 3 year thing. That will be fundamentally different for everybody. You need to expose your services to the first mover that essentially creates the ability just to talk into, whether it be a phone or some other form of gadget, asking questions that are then going to generate the responses and actions it needs. People aren't going to be typing out anymore. They will be talking. And so insurers have to get ready for that world. Yeah, it's a different kettle of fish to sitting behind a PCW now. It's a fundamentally different way of interacting with financial service institutions, and you need to be ready for that. And as I said, it's coming sooner rather than later. So you're going to be absolutely cloud native. You're going to absolutely be API enabled. You're going to be absolutely amazing in regards ingesting and generating insight from different data sources. You're going to be easily kind of connected to different distribution platforms. And as I said, you're going to be able to operate in different customer-centric ecosystems to extract and generate value out of different models. And you're absolutely going to be able to bring in adjacent services to create stickiness in the customer experience that you create. I think that's enough for the time being. Thank you.